Good morning, everybody, and happy Tuesday. I just made a fresh cup of coffee. I'm in the best mood ever, and today is gonna be such a great day. I figured I'd vlog. I always vlog on Tuesdays only because it's my busiest day of school, and I'm gonna start vlogging other days, I promise. But it's Tuesday. It's 9:30. I'm obviously not in my 8:30 class. Yeah, I have a midterm in this class on Friday, and I work days tomorrow and Thursday, so today's my only real day to study. So I kind of was like, okay, well, I'll do lecture from home, which I just finished up. I didn't vlog that this morning, and now I am going to start studying. Sometimes in college it's all about, you know, making a plan, and sometimes you gotta like shift stuff around. So that's that. It's 9:30. I have a bank appointment at 11, so I figured in this vlog I'd also show you guys how I study and like kind of take you guys through step by step on that. And then later this afternoon I have forensics at 2:30, which is my favorite class, and I'm so excited. Anyways, I have my witch mug. It's gonna be a great day. Let's get to studying. Hey guys, so first thing I did was just make my to-do list. That way I kind of have a plan for the day. I don't have much to do. All I want to do is get down all my notes for today and stick them in a midterm study guide, which I'll talk to you guys a bit more in a bit. My boss, you have to bear with me this morning because I have allergies and I ran out of Claritin, and so I'm dying a little right now, but I'm gonna go pick some up after my appointment. I need to get groceries. I want to make the Quizlet for my midterm, and then I need to buy a new toothbrush. So pretty random stuff, but yeah, that's what's on the to-do list today. So I tend to go like crazy above and beyond when it comes to studying, so you guys can like pull pieces from this if you want, or all of it. I'm just like crazy obsessed this year with getting A's, so I literally just go way too far into planning for midterms, okay? Because I'm really in the swing of things, right? I'm like really motivated right now. So you can take pieces from this, you can take it all, but I want to show you guys what I do. So normally when I have a midterm, I make kind of like a note. Now I just put this in the back of my planner. You guys can like type it out. You don't need to like physically write it out, but I just write a note and I outline which lectures are going to be on the midterm. And then I also do like little columns, which aren't straight. I know, it's fine. And then if you guys can see in the corner, I put to type out, make notes, make flashcards, and I know it. So that way, if I'm like out and about or something, I kind of know where I'm at with everything. And then once I have like a few lectures down, I like cross them off, and then I keep going with the rest of them. That way I'm not like just studying the same stuff over and over again. I'm studying the material that I don't know. So basically once I type out all my lectures, I'll highlight all those in pink. For readings, I will make notes on them, and then I'll make flashcards, and then when I know it, I put it in, I check mark the last box, and then I cross it off, and that way I kind of go through what's remaining, and then I work on that. And so I'm not just kind of like wasting my time studying stuff I already know. So that's what I do first, and then I just make a big, you guys have probably seen this if you guys have watched my past videos, I just make one big study guide. That's just how I prefer it. And then I'll make a Quizlet. That way when I'm on the go and I'm like commuting and stuff, or I don't know, like I'm waiting for an appointment or I'm at work, I can just go through the Quizlet on my phone or on my computer. And that's normally how I study. Yeah, I'm starting to try and get in the habit of studying at home more. I was never a big studier at home kind of person. I know it's like really hit or miss because my house is usually really loud because there's 5 of us that live here. But when I'm home alone during the day, I try to, you know, take advantage of the quiet house and study. So right now it is 9:35 and I have about an hour-ish until I have to leave for my bank appointment. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and put all of this lecture material into one study guide right now, or I'm gonna As you can tell, we've moved locations to the couch. We're very comfy. I do need to get up soon because it's 10:38, so I need to leave for my bank appointment in like 5 minutes. But just getting some more readings done and doing, and yeah, it's a pretty boring morning. I'm comfy, but I'm being productive, and that's all that matters, I guess. So, oh my god, I look like I'm crying. I'm not. It's my freaking allergies and I hate it so much. I just got to the bank, so I'm gonna go in for my appointment with my advisor, #adulting. I'll tell you guys all about it when I get out. And yeah, and then we're gonna go get groceries. It's gonna be a good time, and I need to get allergy pills so bad because I'm dying right now. So I'll be back in a jiffy. Why did I just say that? I don't know. I'll talk to you guys soon. Figured I'd show you guys what I got because it's not like my normal groceries. So, well, I got tampons, and allergy relief. Okay, I don't normally shop at Farm Boy because they are a little expensive, but had to treat myself day. Okay, I got some salami. This like sourdough. Sourdough is my favorite bread. Just some partly skimmed mozzarella. They do like a lot more fresh food here. They don't really do anything like preserved or like frozen. I've been looking for these forever and I'm so excited about them. They're the limited edition Oiko's pumpkin spice yogurts. I don't normally get yogurt that has sugar in it. I prefer to just eat plain Greek yogurt, but I had to. It was like so fall-y. Like, how could I say no? So I'll try those. Got 2 bananas for protein shakes. I got these Nan Crisps to go with this roasted corn and black bean salsa I got. It just like looked really yummy. Plus some grape tomatoes, Ob's cotton candy grapes because they're like my favorite snack. I just got a new jar of peanut butter. This is just like the all natural peanut butter that they have there. And then cashew milk for protein shakes. So that's my little grocery haul. I'm gonna put it all away now and then I'm gonna make some lunch. One of my recommendations is when you're eating to not just sit on your phone but to get stuff done. I can't do anything too intense, like I can't really study when I'm eating, but I just do mindless stuff. Like I'm gonna just check my emails, check on some campaigns and stuff, and just do some mindless work while I'm eating lunch. That way I don't feel like I'm wasting any time. Okay, we're in the car, we're heading to class. I really don't know what my hair is doing today, but it's fine. It is what it is. I literally have the worst cramps of life right now. I don't know why, because I don't get cramps anymore because I'm on birth control. I don't even normally get a period, but I did this month and it's awful. And guys, I actually feel like I'm dying right now. Like it's getting worse and I don't want to go to class. Oh my god. I just took a Tylenol, so I'm hoping that it kicks in soon, but holy shit. I feel like straight up butthole. Oh my god. I made myself a protein shake because I've been really slacking on my protein intake lately, so that just has a scoop of chocolate protein, a banana, some cashew milk, and some peanut butter. I feel like I'm about to birth a child, honestly. That's how bad my cramps are. I feel like I'm legitimately in child labor right now. Thank God I'm wearing sunglasses because you can't see them tearing up behind here. Wow. Ooh. So that's my update. I definitely shouldn't have worn this sweater because it's like summer outside right now. I don't know what the weather's doing, but that's cool. But I'm gonna try and push through it and go to class. Hopefully this Tylenol kicks in soon and I feel better. So that's my update. I'm gonna keep driving. I will probably talk to you guys when we get to the train. Hey guys, it's 6:30. We're back in the car now. Class finished a little earlier around 5, so I stayed on campus and I got some more studying done for my midterm, which is great. I got a lot done today. Now I'm gonna go meet Brooke. I haven't seen Brooke in like a week, so we're gonna go and take a walk. It's really nice out, guys. Like, let's just see what it is right now in you know, your American weather. It's 18 degrees right now. So we're gonna go take a walk. We're gonna get ice cream because I'm gonna do that. But if I don't talk to you guys when I get ice cream, I'll talk to you guys when we get home.